Have you noticed how these types of videos are absolutely blowing up on Instagram lately? People are gaining millions of followers overnight. Now imagine taking this same concept and bringing it to YouTube and TikTok. You could turn it into an incredible source of income. Sounds exciting, right? First, let's take a closer look at these videos. You'll notice tiny, adorable creatures taking on roles like chefs, doctors, teachers, and more. They're not just cute, they're super fun, creative, and incredibly engaging. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step on how to create your very own channel and upload your first video. So, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. If you've already got the channel creation part covered, feel free to skip ahead using the timestamps below. For those just starting out, I'm going to show you how to use an AI tool to come up with a catchy name for your channel. The tool I'll be using is called Namelix. Here's how it works. Enter the name of your niche. For example, Mini Creatures. For the style, select Auto and click Next. Under the creativity level, choose Medium. In the top section, type in something like Mini Creatures and describe your business, such as YouTube channel. Hit Generate, and it will give you a list of creative name ideas. For example, one of the names it suggested was Miniverse. I really like that one, so let's go with it for now. But before we finalize it, we need to check if any other channel is already using the same name. A quick search on YouTube shows no channel with this name is available, so we're good to go. Next, let's create a compelling description for your channel. For this, I will use ChatGPT. You can ask it to generate a creative description for your channel. If you don't like the first result, you can always ask it to rewrite it in a way that sounds more human and engaging. Now let's move on to designing your channel's banner and logo. For this, I'll be using Ideogram, a fantastic tool for creating visuals. Here's how you can do it. Ask ChatGPT to provide a prompt for creating a banner and logo for your Miniverse channel. I usually ask for more than one prompt because it allows me to choose from different options. Copy the prompt and head over to Ideogram. Paste the prompt into the tool. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for the banner and hit Generate. Once the banner is ready, pick the one you like the most and download it. For the logo or display picture, repeat the process but set the aspect ratio to 1:1 or 4:4. Generate a few options, choose your favorite, and download it. Once you've got your banner and logo ready, it's time to upload them to your channel. Go to YouTube Studio, enter the name and handle of your channel, then head back to ChatGPT. Copy the description it generated and paste it into the description box. Next, upload the banner as your channel's background and the logo as your display picture. And just like that, your channel is starting to come to life. Now, to create this type of video, the first thing we need is a good prompt. I have a premium prompt that you can use for your videos. In this prompt, I first ask ChatGPT to provide prompts for images, and I also give it different examples so that it generates prompts with great results. In the next part, I ask it to provide prompts for video generation, including environmental details and examples. You can find this document in the description box. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. I usually ask for 10 prompts, but you can ask for more tailored to your specific requirements. Once it provides you with the prompts, copy them. And we'll move on to the next step, which is image creation. For this, I'll be using PicLumen. Go to PicLumen. After logging, select the Create option from the left sidebar. Paste the prompt in the prompt box and select the PicLumen art model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, then hit Enter. You'll see it generates impressive results. Click on the download icon to save it to your device. I'll also repeat the same process for the other prompt. Now, to bring life to these images, I'll use PicLumen AI. After logging in, upload your image here, and in the prompt section, go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the video, and paste it into the prompt box. Leave the other settings as they are and hit Generate. Once the video is ready, download it and save it on your device. Repeat the same process for all the other images. Now let's align all the scenes to create a cohesive video. For this, I'll use Canva. Select the YouTube Shorts from the dashboard. Upload all of your scenes and adjust them into the timeline. Add transitions between the scenes to make the video flow smoothly. And don't forget to add background music to enhance the overall experience. Once everything is set, click on Share and then click on Download to save the final video to your device.